Do you know I created all these amazing images and thumbnails with the pro version of Google's best AI image generator? I'm talking about Nano Banana Pro, and the best part is, I didn't spend a single dollar. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret AI website that lets you use Nano Banana Pro completely free and unlimited times. The site is called Philo. Just Google it and click the first link, and you're in. Now, here's the catch. When you first open it, it looks credit-based, so you might think it's not unlimited. Don't worry, just stick with me and I'll show you the trick. When you log in, it asks for an email. Don't use your real email. Instead, open a new tab and search for temp mail. The site will create a temporary email address for you. Copy that email, go back to Philo, paste it in, and make up a simple 8-character password. Anything works. Click Continue. Next, it will ask for a verification code. Switch back to your Temp Mail tab, check your inbox, and you'll see the code sent by Philo AI. Copy it and paste it back into the verification box. Once you finish verification, you'll get 300 bonus credits. Add that to the sign-up credit and you have 500 credits total. That's your key to free, unlimited access. Now let's get to the fun part. Click on AI Image. You'll see the old Nano Banana, but we're interested in the Nano Banana Pro version. Select it, and let's try a sample prompt I got from ChatGPT. Paste it into Philo, choose your image dimensions and resolution. It even supports 2K resolution. Then hit Enter. Wait a few seconds, and boom! Look at that detail. This is generated completely by the premium Nano Banana Pro model, and it cost us absolutely nothing. You can try different prompts to see even more amazing results. And the features don't stop there. Philo has a full editing suite. You can regenerate, improve prompts, use in-painting, crop, outpaint, remove backgrounds, or even do smart HD upscaling. It's all here completely free. A quick heads up, sometimes an error may pop up during generation. Don't panic, just hit the regenerate button and it will work perfectly. This site is packed with features beyond just image generation, so take some time to explore it. If this hack helped you save some cash, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI secrets. Enjoy your free image journey.